The next question is question number 4, and in question number 4 the question is which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. चेक करना है कि जो गिवन क्वेश्चन है APs है या नहीं है। अगर वो AP है तो आपको क्या निकालना है, कॉमन डिफरेंस निकालना है और नेक्स्ट 3 मोर टर्म्स को फाइंड आउट करना है। यानी कि अगर यहाँ 16 है तो इसके बाद जो 3 टर्म्स होंगे उससे आपको फाइंड आउट करना है। ओके, तो हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं 4 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। 4 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 क्या है, 2, 4, 8, 16। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड आउट द कॉमन डिफरेंस दैट इज D, and to find out D we have to find T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2. Here term 1, term 2, term 3 and term 4. T2 minus T1 means 4 minus 2 equal to T3 minus T2 means 8 minus 4. 4 minus 2 equal to 2 and here 8 minus 4 equal to 4. तो आप देख रहे हैं बच्चों T2 minus T1 का जो आया है हमारा नंबर वो T3 minus 2 से डिफरेंट, यानी जो कॉमन डिफरेंस है बच्चों वो टर्म टू टर्म डिफरेंट होते जा रहे हैं। ठीक है, तो यहाँ देख सकते हैं इक्वल टू हम लोग लिख सकते हैं T4 minus T3। तो T4 हमारा क्या है 16 minus 8 इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा, 16 minus 8 इक्वल टू 8। मीन्स आप देख रहे हैं टर्म टू टर्म क्या हो रहा है, हमारा कॉमन डिफरेंस है वो चेंज कर रहा है। ठीक है, यानी जो क्या जब कॉमन डिफरेंस हमारा सेम नहीं है तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 10, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 16 डॉट डॉट डज नॉट एन AP। हमें क्या करना था, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग्स आर AP। आपको सबसे पहले चेक करना था कि एक AP है या नहीं है। इफ दे फॉर्म एन AP, अगर वो एक AP है, फाइंड द कॉमन डिफरेंस D। तो हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना था, कॉमन डिफरेंस D एंड राइट 3 मोर टर्म्स, और उसके राइट 3 मोर टर्म्स और उसके बाद जो हमारे नेक्स्ट 3 टर्म्स थे उसे हमें फाइंड आउट करने थे। तो ये जो हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वो हमारा AP नहीं है। 10, 2, 4, 8, 16 does not an AP. Now the second question of question number 4 is given here that the first term is 2, second term is 5/2, 3, 7/2 and so on. So first of all we have to find out the common difference that is D, and to find out the common difference we have to subtract term 2 from term 1, and to find out the common difference we have to subtract T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2 equal to T4 minus T3. Now T2 is 5/2 minus T1 is 2 equal to T3 is 3 minus 5/2 equal to 7/2 minus 3. Okay, now solve this. 5/2 we have to take LCM. 5 minus 4 equal to 3 to just 6 minus 5 equal to 2, 7 minus 6. When we have to take LCM both the terms, we have to take 2 1 जा 2 and 2 1 जा 2, 1 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 5 से तो 5 आएगा। नेक्स्ट इज 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 is 2 and 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 then we have to get 4. 5 minus 4 equal to 1/2 equal to 6 minus 5/2 equal to 1/2 equal to 7 minus 6/2 equal to 1/2. That means the common difference that is D equal to 1/2. We have to find D is 1/2 for both the terms. Okay, that means this is an AP. We have find out the common difference is same for every terms, that is 1/2. Now this is an AP, and if this is an AP then we have to find out more 3 terms. Now the last term is 7/2. The last term is 7/2 and we have to add the common difference to the last term 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Then we have get the next term, that is 2. 7 plus 1 equal to 8 by 2, and we have to divide equal to 2 by 4. When we have to divide the both the term, then we get the 4, the next term, that means here the next term is 4. Now again we have add the common difference with the next term, that is 4. When we add 4 plus 1 by 2, that is the common difference, then we get 2. 4 to the 8 plus 1, that is 9 by 2. Means the next term is 9 by 2. Now the 9 by 2, then we again add the common difference to the term 9 by 2, then we get 9 plus 1, that is 10 by 2. We cut both of them, 5 equal to 5. Now the next term is 5. Okay, तो आप देख सकते हैं बच्चों कि इस तरीके से हम लोग जितना चाहे उतना नंबर्स हम लोग उतने टर्म्स को हम लोग फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. तो हमें कितने टर्म्स को फाइंड आउट करने थे? नेक्स्ट 3 टर्म्स. ओके, देन सो वी डिड इट. Next question is question number 3, and here given are some numbers. Now to find out the common difference, we have to subtract term 2 by term 1 and term 3 to term 2 and term 4 to term 3. Here T2 minus 3.2 minus 1.2. Again T3 is minus 5.2 minus T2 is minus 3.2 equal to minus 7.2 minus 5.2. Again minus plus 3.2 plus 1.2 equal to minus 5.2 minus plus 3.2. Again minus 7.2 plus plus 5.2. 3.2 plus 1.2 equal to 2 minus 2 equal to minus 2. Here also 2 to 0, 7 minus 5 equal to minus 2. That means the common difference is minus 2. Okay, that means the given terms are an AP. The given terms are an AP. Now the next 3 terms are. अब हमें क्या करना है बच्चों? नेक्स्ट 3 टर्म्स फाइंड आउट करने, क्योंकि ये एक एपी है और जब एपी है तो हमें क्या करना है? नेक्स्ट 3 टर्म्स को फाइंड आउट करना है. तो नेक्स्ट 3 टर्म्स को निकालने के लिए क्या करेंगे? जो लास्ट टर्म है हमारा गिवन, उसमें हम लोग कॉमन डिफरेंस को ऐड करेंगे. तो माइनस 7.2 प्लस कॉमन डिफरेंस इज माइनस 2 इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों? प्लस माइनस माइनस. तो माइनस ये भी है और ये भी क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस हो जाएगा. तो 7.2 प्लस minus 2 equal to 9.2 and is negative number. Okay. Now the next term is 9.2 minus 9.2. Again minus 9.2 plus common difference equal to plus minus minus and 9.2 minus 2, that is minus 11.2. Again the next term is 11.2. Now again we add the common difference with this number, that is minus 2 equal to 11 plus 2, 11 and 2 is 13 and minus 13.2. Okay, next term is minus 13.2. Next 3 terms we have to find. We have found the next 3 terms. Again, in the question number 4, there is given some numbers minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and 2. We find out the common difference. We have to subtract term 2 by term 1 equal to term 3 minus term 2 and term 4 from term 3. Term 2 is minus 6 minus 10 equal to term 3 is minus 2 minus 6 equal to term 4 is 2. Term 4 is 2 minus, that is minus 2. Now minus minus plus, that is minus 6 plus 10 equal to minus 2 minus minus plus 6 equal to 2 minus minus plus 2. Now minus 6 plus 10, that is 4, minus 2 plus 6, that is 4, 2 plus 2, that is 4, means the common difference is 4. That means the given numbers forms an AP. तो आप देख रहे हैं बच्चे, जो कॉमन डिफरेंस है वो हर जगह क्या है, सेम है. मीन्स गिवन नंबर फॉर्म एन एपी. एक जो गिवन नंबर वो है वो क्या फॉर्म कर रहा है, एपी को फॉर्म कर रहा है. नाउ वी हैव टू फाउंड द नेक्स्ट 3 टर्म्स. नाउ द नेक्स्ट 3 terms are, the last term is 2 and we have to add common difference with the last term and the common difference is 4. That means the number is 6. The number is 6. Again 6 plus common difference equal to 10. Means the next number is 10 and again 10 plus the common difference equal to 14. Means the next term is 14 and so on. We find the next 3 terms. Okay, let us see the next question, that is question number 5 or question number 4. There is given some numbers and we have to find out the common difference, that is D equal to T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2. T2 is 3 plus root 2 minus T1 is 3. Again T3, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus T2, that is 3 plus root 2. Here plus 3 minus 3 cut now, and 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. Again we write this 3 plus 2 root 2. After opening the bracket we have to find minus 3 minus plus minus root 2. Now 3 minus 3 cut and here plus 2, here 1. अगर यहाँ पे कोई नंबर नहीं है इसका मतलब यहाँ पे क्या है, 1 है. तो 2 minus 1 that is 1 equal to root 2. And here also root 2. That means root 2 equal to root 2. Means common difference equal to root 2. We find this, the common difference is root 2. Then the given numbers are an AP, या फिर आप लोग लिख सकते the given number form an AP. Now the next 3 numbers are, next 3 terms are, now we add the common difference with the last number, that is 3 plus 3 root 2. We add common difference, that is root 2. When we add the 3 plus, If there is not a number, then there is a 1. 3 plus 1, that is 3 plus 4 root 2. Again we add the common difference with this number, that is 3 plus 4 root 2. We add the common difference root 2. Then again 4 plus 1, that is 5. That means 3 plus 5 root 2. Again we add the common difference with the last number. We find 5 plus 1, 6, means 3 plus 6 root 2. That means the next 3 terms are here given. ठीक है, तो आप लोग लिख लीजिएगा बच्चों, जो लास्ट 3 टर्म्स है वो आपको निकल गए हैं, आप लोग आसानी से लिख लीजिएगा। हम लोग बढ़ते हैं अगले क्वेश्चन की ओर। नाउ अगेन इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 we have to find out the common difference, that is t2 minus t1 equal to t3 minus t2, and t2 is 0.22 minus 0.2 equal to the third term is 0.222 minus t2 is 0.22. Okay, now subtract both the terms. 0.22 equal to here पॉइंट के बाद आपका ये 2 है, यहाँ 2 है, यानी 0.02 and here 0.002 means the common difference of both the terms are not equal, means t2 minus t1 not equal to t3 minus t2. That means thus the given list of numbers does not form an AP. In this question you saw that the common differences in both the terms is different, means this is not form an AP. Again in question number 7 we have to find the common difference. First of all t2 minus t1 and t3 minus t2. t2 is minus 4 minus t1 is 0 equal to t3, that is minus 8 minus t2, that is minus 4. We subtract both the terms, that is minus 4 equal to minus 8 and minus minus plus 4. Here minus 4 equal to minus 8 plus 4 equal to minus 4. That means the common difference D is minus 4. Now we have write down that thus the given terms or given numbers forms an AP. Okay, now the next 3 terms are we add the common difference with the last term, that is minus 12. We add common difference, that is minus 4. We find the next term, that is minus 12 plus minus minus, means minus 12 minus 4. Minus 12 minus 4, that is equal to minus 16. Okay, the next term is minus 16. Again we add the common difference with the minus 16 in the last term, that is minus 4, and minus 16 minus 4 equal to minus 20, means the next term is minus 20. Again we add the common difference minus 4 with the last term, that is minus 20 and minus 4 equal to minus 24. Okay, the next term is minus 24 and so on. Okay, now again in question number 8, first of all we have to find out the common difference, that is D, and we have to find the common difference by t2 minus t1 and t3 minus t2. t2 is minus 1 by 2 equal to minus the term 1, that is minus 1 by 2. Again t3 is minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. minus 1 by 2 minus minus plus, that is 1 by 2 equal to minus 1 by 2, and also again minus minus plus, that is 1 by 2. Positive negative cut. We have to cut down the negative and positive term. That means 0 equal to 0, d equal to 0. Thus the given numbers form an AP. The common difference d is common everywhere. That means the given numbers form an AP. If the numbers form an AP, then we have to find out the next three terms. Now the next three terms are, we have to put the common difference, we have to add the common difference with the last term, and the last term is minus 1 by 2. We add common difference with the last term, then we get again minus 1 by 2. Again we add the common difference with the last term, then again we get minus 1 by 2. And again when we add the common difference with the last term, then we get again minus 1 by 2. Next three terms. Next three terms. Again we find out the common difference d in this question, that is question number 9 of question number 4. Common difference is t2 minus t1 equal to t3 minus t2. t2 is 3 minus 1 and t3 is 9 minus 3. 3 minus 1, that is 2, and 9 minus 3, that is 6. Means the t2 minus t1 not equal to t3 minus t2. That means thus the given numbers does not form an AP. Okay. Now again in this question we have to find the common difference d, that is t2 minus t1 equal to t3 minus t2. t2 is 2a minus t1 is a. t1 and t3 is 3a minus 2a. Again we subtract 2a minus a, that is a, and 3a minus 2a, that is a. Okay, that means d equal to a. Thus the given numbers forms an AP. The given numbers form an AP. Now if the given number is an AP, if the given number are an AP, then we have to find the next three terms there. Now the next three terms are, we add the common difference with the last term, that is 4a plus a equal to 5a. Again 5a plus a, we get 6a. Again 6a plus a equal to, we get 7a. That means the next term is 5a, 6a, 7a and so on. Okay. Now again in this question, question number 11 of question number 4, we have get the numbers and we have to find out the given numbers are an AP or not. Then again we have to find the common difference d equal to t2 minus t1 equal to t3 minus t2. Okay, then put the values. t2 equal to a square minus a, and t3 is a cube minus a square. That means a square minus a. Again we get common a, then here we get a minus 1. and here when we take a square common, then a minus 1 in the bracket. That means both the terms are not equal. Okay, both t2 minus t1 not equal to t3 minus t2. Thus the given numbers does not exist, does not form an AP. Here when we take common a, then we in the bracket we find a minus 1. Here a minus 1, a minus is common in both, but in the outer here is only single a and here is a square. That means both the terms are not equal to each other. That means the common difference d is not same to the both the terms. That means the given numbers are not an AP. Okay. Now again in this question we have to find out the common difference d, and find out the common difference d to find out the term 2 to minus term 1 equal to term 3 minus term 2. Term 2 is root 8 and term 1 is root 2. Here term 3 is root 18 minus term 2 is root 8. Again we write root 8 as 4 multiplied by 2 minus root 2 equal to, we also write 18 equal to 9 multiplied by 2 and minus 8. That means 4 multiplied by 2. Here 2 is come out from the root. 2 to is 4 and 2 is come out from the root, and here minus 2 equal to 9. If in the root there is 9, then 3 is come out from the root, and in the inside the root there is 2, and here also 2 is come out from the root and there is only 2. Again 2 minus 1, that means only 1. Here is 1. Okay, 2. There is only 2 minus 1, that means 1, and 2 minus 1, 2 को 1 से हम लोग माइनस करेंगे तो 1 आएगा, 1 को हम लोग नहीं लिखते हैं. ठीक है, तो हमारा क्या बचा, सिंगल रूट 2 बचा. यहाँ पर भी देखेंगे बच्चों 3 minus 2 that means 1 से किया, मतलब क्या बचा हमारा रूट 2 बचा है. तो यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं रूट 2 इक्वल टू रूट 2, that means d इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा हमारा रूट 2 हो जाएगा. तो लिखेंगे हम लोग 10 द गिवन numbers form an AP. ओके, अगर ये AP फॉर्म कर रहा है तो हमें क्या करना है, नेक्स्ट 3 टर्म्स को फाइंड आउट करना है. तो नेक्स्ट 3 टर्म्स को क्या करेंगे हम लोग, जो लास्ट टर्म है उसमें हम लोग कॉमन डिफरेंस को ऐड करेंगे. तो क्या करेंगे, लास्ट टर्म हमारा क्या है, रूट 32 प्लस रूट 2. तो इसको ऐड कैसे करेंगे बच्चों, तो हम लोग रूट 32 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं, ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 16 multiplied by 2, 16 2 जा 32 and here is root 2. 16 को हम लोग करेंगे तो 4 हमारा बाहर आ जाएगा और रूट में हमारा 2 रहेगा. ओके, प्लस रूट 2, तो इसको लिख सकते हैं हम लोग 5 रूट 2. 4 प्लस 1 5 रूट 2, और इसको 5 रूट 2 को अगर हमें वापस इस तरीके से लिखना है रूट में तो हम लोग कैसे करेंगे, तो 5 5 जा 25 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा रूट 50. यानी हमारा जो नेक्स्ट टर्म होगा वो होगा रूट 50. ओके, अगेन रूट 50 प्लस रूट 2. तो रूट 50 को हम लोग कैसे लिख सकते हैं, इसको इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं रूट 25 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 एंड एड रूट 2, दैट इज कॉमन डिफरेंस. अगेन root 25 that means 5 root 2 plus root 2 equal to 6 root 2. 6 root 2 को अगर हम लोग अगेन इस तरीके से लिखेंगे तो क्या करेंगे, 6 6 36 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2. ओके, तो 6 72 रूट 72. Again root 72 एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस इक्वल टू रूट 72 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 36 इंटू 2, 36 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 प्लस रूट 2। 36 को जब हम लोग इस तरीके से लिखेंगे तो 6 रूट 2 प्लस रूट 2 इक्वल टू 7 रूट 2। वापस इसको हम लोग रूट के अंदर करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा 49 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 बराबर 98। मीन्स the next term is root 72 again root 98. Okay, again in question number 13 we have to find the common difference d, that is t2 minus t1 equal to t3 minus t2. Here t2 is root 6 minus t1 is root 3. Here t3 is root 9 and t2 is root 6. Okay, now root 6 we have to write root 6 as 3 multiplied by 2 and here root 3. Okay, again we write root 9 as 3 multiplied by 3 and here root 3 multiplied by 2. Okay, now we take common root 3, then in the bracket root 2 minus 1. Okay, and this side root 3 multiplied by root 3, we take common root 3, then in bracket root 3 minus root 2. Root 3 in the common and next is root 3 minus root 2 in the bracket. That means t2 minus t1 not equal to t3 minus t2. Thus the number given are not form an AP. Okay, not form an AP. Again in question number 14, 1 square 3 square, 5 square and 7 square and so on. Okay, in this question we have to also find out the common difference. First of all we have to find out the common difference d, that is t2 minus t1 equal to t3 minus t2. Put the values. T2 is 3 power 3 square minus t1 is 1 square equal to t3 is 5 to the power 2 and minus t2 is 3 to the power 2. Again when we solve this, 3 to the power 2 that is equal to 9 minus 1 equal to 5 to the power 2, that means 25 minus 3 to the 3 3 is a 9. Okay, again 9 minus 1 equal to 8 and 25 minus 9 equal to 16. That means t2 minus t1 not equal to t3 minus t2. Okay, thus the given numbers does not form an AP because their common difference is not equal to the terms. Okay, इनका कॉमन डिफरेंस जो है वो सेम नहीं होने के कारण ये क्या है, एपी फॉर्म नहीं कर सकता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, दैट इज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज 1 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2, 7 to the power 2 and next term is 73 and so on. Again in this question we have to find out the common difference d, that is t2 minus t1 equal to t3 minus t2. Now put the values of terms. t2 is 5 to the power 2 minus term 1 is 1 to the power 2. Term 3 is 7 to the power 2 and term 2 is 5 to the power 2. Okay. 5 to the power 2, that is, again we write down T4 minus T3. Now T4 is 73 minus term 3 is 7 to the power 2. Again 5 to the power 2, that means 25, minus 1 to the power 2, that means 1. 7 to the power 2, that is 49, and 5 to the power 2, that means 25. Again 73 minus 7 to the power 2 means 49. Again subtract all these terms. 25 minus 1, that is 24, equal to 49 minus 25. 9 minus 5 equal to 4, and 4 minus 2 equal to 2, that is 24. Again 3 minus 9, that means 13 minus 9 equal to 4, and 6 minus 4 equal to 2. That means the common difference is same everywhere, that means D equal to 24. Thus the given numbers forms an AP. Okay, this is clear. The given numbers form an AP. Again this form an AP, then we have to find out the next 3 terms, and the next 3 terms are, now the next 3 terms are we have to add the common difference with the last term, that is 73 plus 24 equal to 97. Again we add the common difference with the last term, that is 97 plus 24, that is 121. Again 121, add the common difference, that is 145. Means the next 3 terms are 97, 121 and 145. तो बच्चों ये हमारा लास्ट क्वेश्चन था, एक्सरसाइज 5.1 का, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन था। तो बच्चों आपको हमारा वीडियो कैसा लगा तो आप हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर लिखिएगा। अगर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए हैं तो जल्दी से जल्दी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ले और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर ले, ताकि हमारा आने वाला हर वीडियो सबसे पहले आप तक पहुंचे।